Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. It's not just for men. Yeah, I'm Kevin, and today, I mean, you know, it's the season. It's football season. It's game day appetizers, and coming up real quick is Super Bowl. So I'm making another video on appetizers you can serve at Super Bowl parties, at game day, you know, if it's not the Super Bowl, or just, you know, events that you go to and the gatherings with your friends. This is a really simple recipe that Elizabeth found on Facebook and shared it with me. And so it's going to involve either Bisquick. I've got some Krusteaz pancake mix. That'll work fine. A can of Rotel with green chilies. I'm not going to add any more green chilies, although I really would like to. A couple cups of cheddar cheese, but I'm going to use the Chihuahua cheese that I like to use. 8 ounces of cream cheese. And a pound of hot Italian sausage. Your favorite. Doesn't have to be hot. You can have mild. If you don't want it spicy, that's fine. You know, Rotel green chili does have a nice little spice, but not too much, all right? Basically, all we're going to do is mix all these items together, make little 1-inch size cheese balls, sausage cheese balls, and then we're going to cook them in the oven and on the pellet grill. So I'm going to do 2 cooks. We'll compare them a little bit. We'll see the difference. But yeah, inside the oven, totally fine. Outside, you want to do it on your pellet grill, totally fine. So let's get this cook going. All right, so I got my can of Rotel draining in the sink. I've got it upside down in the sink draining. I'm going to put in the pound of sausage. You don't need that paper in there. Okay, we got some softened cream cheese. Open that up. I'm going to pop that right in there. Cups of shredded. You can use cheddar. You can use your favorite cheese. That's my favorite cheese. It's Chihuahua cheese. A cup and a half of Bisquick or whatever other baking stuff you have, like pancake mix. Let me get the Rotel. Okay, well drained Rotel. So you want to push down on the tomatoes and everything and get all the juice out of there. Okay, and yeah, my hands are clean. Don't you worry. You can use a spoon and mix this all together, but you know what? I find that when you're mixing ingredients like this, it's best just to use your hands. Okay, that took about 2 minutes. Okay, so yeah, this is a sticky mixture. And you know, I was thinking if you wanted to, you could add chipotle seasoning, jalapeno powder, just about anything in here if you really want to spice it up. But we're not gonna, right? So I'm just gonna take a small, like a teaspoon. It's a smaller spoon, and what you want to do is get about enough to make about a 1-inch ball. And yeah, it's sticky, so just go lightly and roll them together in your hands like this, and you'll end up with about a 1-inch ball. Now I'm gonna just do a whole bunch of these little meatballs, and then I'm gonna separate them, and we'll have some for the oven to show you can do it in the oven, and we'll have some for the pellet smoker, the pellet grill, to show you can do it outside as well, because you know I like to cook outside, and not everybody has a pellet grill. Almost everybody has an oven, right? Okay, I'm gonna get these done, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay. Depending on the size you make these, I have 35 here that I'm going to put into the oven indoors. I ended up with 33 for outdoors. Some of them are a little bigger. I was just, you know, rolling all those meatballs, little sausage balls, and I did use them up all the way. Now, you know, if I don't add any extra spice, I'm going to probably, you know, want to kick myself. So on the ones for the pellet grill, I've got some Arizona chipotle that I'm going to just sprinkle over the tops of these that are going outside in the pellet grill. You know, this chipotle rub here is pretty hot. It says it's a dry heat. This stuff, you know, like I've tasted it, it's pretty spicy. So I'm gonna get these in the oven, get those outside. We'll let them bake at 375 for 20 minutes. Okay, let's get these in the oven. And set my timer. 20 minutes. All right, that'll also be a timer for the pellet grill. All right, I got the pellet grill set at 375. It's running at 385 at the moment. It'll level out. This little Pit Boss is really good. thing. $3.75. Not looking for a whole lot of extra smoky flavor, but it'll definitely add some more flavor. So 20 minutes, $3.75. Okay, we'll be back. 25 minutes, close to 26. They look pretty good. If you have a thermometer, you can check these. 168, 182. Yeah, they're done. You just want to make sure the sausage is cooked. So look at that. All right, those look pretty good. We're going to put the oven ones on the left. Let's go out and get the ones from the pellet grill. See, I told you the Pit Boss would level out at 375. Oh yeah, check those out. These have the chipotle powder on them. They are. Here's the oven. Looks good. Here's the pellet grill. It looks similar. Then let these cool off. We'll do a taste test. Okay, there you go. Sausage cheese balls. Very super simple to make. Very easy to make. Just a few ingredients. This is one out of the oven. I'm going to try it plain. Very tasty, not even spicy. Even though it has the hot Italian sausage and the Rotel with the green chili, there's no spice. Okay, so I made some sriracha mayo here. Well, I actually did a dipping sauce this time, so check that out. Much better. This is one from the pellet grill. I'm dipping it in some blue cheese. Oh, am I kidding? Nobody's going to use toothpicks. Dip it in the sriracha mayo. This has the chipotle rub on it, and it does have a little kick to it. Very tasty chipotle mayo. These are really good. These are going to make great appetizers for Super Bowl, any game day, any event where you need to take appetizers. It's quick and easy. It makes a whole bunch of them. Almost made 70. If I made them all the same size, I probably would have had 75. So anyway, there you go. All right. Thanks for checking this out. I hope you make these for Super Bowl. Everybody's going to love them. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.